everyone, this is Rajesh from Raipur campus. Today I will learn to something for you on pharmaceutical science, which is physical pharmaceutics, biological definition of buffers. Can you give a definition of buffer? We know about that. What is buffer capacity? If you know about resistive pH of acid or base, in buffer capacity, the ability to change. How much ability? If how can I explain? For example, if a person who is having children, which is 3 years old, he take a small quantity of food, like this side. But in adult people can take this side of the difference between among them. Hence the capacity of the buffer will be happen like this. Are you able to understand what I am saying? No. What? Sir, you do not understand it. Let me explain once again. If you want. I will give you a proper normal example, which is if any 3 years old boy, which is having small quantity of food. In adults also taking in big quantity of food. Difference between among them like that. Yeah, like acids and base having difference between them. Are you understand? Yes. Food will take in those people, but quantity becomes different. Hence, I want to understand this topic. What do you know about biological system of metabolism of buffers in our whole life? Can you guess? We know about 10th class. Hence, I will ask you. In our metabolical activities, we want to pH become constant in our human body. Are you understand?
Yes. Now say, are we together?
Okay, plate. Are you know about isotonic solutions? Yeah? That having 7.4 pH, which is become slightly acidic. Can you notice that in hospitals, the doctor will give a saline for which is having less concentration of body fluids exchange in the human body. Do you remember about that? Yes. Then slightly alkaline, which is our body which can surrounded by them. Slightly alkaline means is 7.4 in our blood normal buffer range. We know about if blood will. Okay, explain that. If any person which is having positive blood, negative blood, and there will be, if negative or positive, the difference between if anyone without transformation of same blood, then what will happen? Without transfer of same blood. Can you repeat again? Person will die. Why? Cleansing happens. I understand. If the same person having same blood, which person will die or not? Same, become same. Hence, I want to take that solution which is not harmful for any human commercial purposes. Human body, which is maintain blood having two properties can be maintained. Blood having bicarbonates. I don't know about bicarbonates. Bicarbonates and carbonic acid in our blood can maintain this. Understand? Maintenance of bicarbonates and carbonic ion molecules in our blood pH. Hence, it will not harmful to generate any harmful specific conditions. Now understand. Next, which is having blood having two types of blood is having two types of two types of buffers, primary buffers or secondary buffer. Are you understand what I'm saying? Primary buffer, which is present in contains plasma. Secondary buffer, which is erythrocytes or RBC cells.
Hey, note down this, it's very important.
Are you understand?
Where it is present, secondary buffer.
I will give the bicarbonate and carbonic ions in the plasma. Are you understand? I give the maintenance of bicarbonate and carbonic ions in presence of primary buffer solutions. Second, which is having taking oxyhemoglobin. You understand what I'm saying? Which under the primary plasma, which contains buffers which maintains the bicarbonates and carbonic ion maintenance. Then secondary buffer, which is erythrocytes, which maintains oxyhemoglobin and hemoglobin maintains the buffer capability. The range of blood, the range of primary buffer is 0.00318. Buffer capacity that can hold that capacity, which can achieve that two more life processes for metabolism. I understand. Then secondary buffer solution, which is range between 0.0035. For secondary, understand first the primary function of primary and secondary function of buffer solutions in blood. Secondary function, which is having same. What is that? Means acid or base of phosphoric salts become maintained. This is the this is the plasma function also, erythrocytes RBC function also. Are you understand what I am saying? Please give me a response. If you not understand, I will repeat it again to clarify your doubt. Thank you. Are you understand? Buffer capacity will be unable to understand. Are you know about lacrimal fluid? Where are they? Eye. How can you produce? Which form it takes? Tears. Yeah. Lacrimal fluid. Which, if you know why I sterilize the pharmaceutical ingredient to sterilize for eye drops like that. Why are you know about that? Anyone? What? Irritation. Yeah. Irritation. If you not irritated, what will I do? To become sterile and to control the pH as for our metabolism. Irritation will not take place up to that lacrimal fluid which is having same pH of that sterile product. Lacrimal fluid is having the buffer solution quantities 10.4. Understand? This is having, if any function has been, if the buffer in the lacrimal fluid is 7.4 and the buffer which can hold the up to 1:15 ratio of dilute neutralizing capacity of any acid or base, it can hold that the alkaline maintainability. Are you understand? If you take 1 drop of tear, 1 ml of tear, 15 ml of dilute water, acid or base. What can you say? Diluted. There is diluted or any diluted. It can hold that alkalinity at a constant range. Are you understand? Yes. Second application is it will give pure conjunctival fluid for use in the pharmaceutical industry. If you go to another classes, we will explain in detail about that. Pure conjunctival fluid in the pharmaceutical industry is more rapid use for the process to sterilize and many processes. Thirdly, if the ice will rupture, you know, if the ice will rupture, the loss of TS will become, the carbon dioxide will be removed. If the more than will rupture. Loss of yes, it consequences to loss of carbon dioxide, which up to our pH become neutralized, up to growth of alkalinity. We know about pH 8 to 14, where they go from alkalinity, base, alkalinity. If the pH having loss of carbon dioxide up to constant temperature, he will stand constant at is similar to pH. But if the loss of carbon dioxide, they will go to pH in alkalinity. There will no harm and irritation according to you, any painful consequences, but seeing them. The tertiary is what is remaining that one? Urine. Urine pH is slightly different, 6 to 6, just a 6 buffer range, which is slightly acidic. The urine having hydronium ions. It is secreted by kidney. Hydronium ions will be secreted by kidney. Are you understand?
Yes.
These hydronium ions can constant the maintain the pH of urine. If the what is the pH of urine? 6. Okay. Hydronium ions will secrete the kidney. If the less than, which is urine having 6 pH. If the pH is 4.5, what will happen? Danger. I don't know.
It will cause irritation. Acidic urine will cause irritation. Yes.
4.5, which is slightly acidic, hence slightly mildly acidic as compared to that. If less than 4.5, the hydronium ions will secrete the kidney and filter out to convert 6 the pH of the urine. If the less than, it will reduce the hydronium ions to convert to 6 from 8 to 14 like this. And understand how to decrease and how to increase the pH of the buffer solution in urine? Yes, next. Then 5. This is a thanks for cooperation with me and give me any feedback about me. Please give me.
Can you explain how that pH increases?
Hydronium ions can be secreted by kidney. If the kidney,
Correct. What he's saying is correct.
The kidney.
His concept is very clear. Only thing is he can't able to put that in the correct format. That's all. Tell me.
urine have hydronium ions, which is less than or more than, we will give a proper to maintain hydronium ions, which constantly change in pH. If what is the buffer solution, we know about that.
If hydronium ion increase, then
pH is complement. And balancing equation, if the hydronium ions less in constant, if the buffer is acidic in nature, then hydronium will secrete more. Then constant pH becomes 6. If the hydronium ions become less, at that position it will go into alkalinity. That's why you will go to less the hydronium ions, which constant to the 8 to 4, range between 18 to 6. Reverse will occur. Reverse. Asthma is low carbon, like that. I understand.